Today in this LeetCode problem, we'll be trying to solve this text justification. So it says that given an array of strings, words, and max width, format the text such that each line has exactly max width characters and is fully left and right justified. Now you should pack your words in a greedy approach, that is, pack as many words as you can in each line. Pad extra spaces with this space when necessary so that each line has exactly the max width characters. And extra spaces between words should be distributed as evenly as possible. If the number of spaces on a line does not divide evenly between words, the empty slots on the left will be assigned more spaces than the slots on the right. For the last line of text, it should be left justified and no extra space is inserted between words. There, it has also given some notes. Let's check what the notes it has given. So it says that a word is defined as character sequence consisting of non-space characters only, okay? And each word's length is guaranteed to be greater than 0 and not exceed max width. And the input array words contains at least one word. So we have in the example one, if we have this input of this is an example of text justification and the max width is 16, then we will having the output as this is an example of text and justification. And here we can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it should be 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So example cannot be greeted here. But in this part, in the example of text, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So yeah, this is how it's gonna be. And let's try a similar example is given in example 2. And now we'll be trying to provide a solution here, the class solution, and we'll be defining this function that's full justify function. So let's see. So first, let's have the result section. And in this result, we need to store the final justified line. So this is to store the final justified lines. And then if I have current line and I put it into this bracket, I'll be having this thing that words, words in the current line. Then suppose current line is equal to 0, which means the total length of words in the current line. And then we'll design that for words in words, we need to check if adding the current word exceeds the max width. Now, if the current length plus the length of word plus length of current line, if this thing is considered to be greater than the max width, then in that case, we will need to distribute, we will be needing to distribute spaces for current line. And for I in range, suppose if we have max width minus the current length, in that case, we will need to distribute extra spaces as evenly as possible, right? And in that case, the current, the current line of I divided by, or what should I say, the remainder of the length of current minus 1 or 1. So then we will have to plus equal to space, and then we need to, I think we need to then add the justified line to the result, the justified line to the result. And how we are going to do that, we will do that result dot append, and we will be adding this with space. So we dot join the current line. So after having done this, we will need to reset current line and length. So we will be writing current line, comma, current length is equal to this space, empty space again, and then 0. So then we will need to add the word to the current line, and that means current line dot append, and here in this case we'll be appending the word, and then we will have to, what should I say? Yeah. So now we got to do something else here. So after we append this, we are setting current length plus equal to the length of the word. So handle handle the last line. It should be left justified, I guess. So here in this case, the return result dot append should be space dot join current line, and then dot l just the max width, and then finally we will have to return the result. Let's check where should I put it. It should be as far as possible. Return result. So is there anything that I missed? Let me check. So there might be some issues with the spacing here because it shouldn't be that straightforward. Yeah, for if current, for I, current line. Okay, the result should be, it should be a little bit backward because I need to append this, and then this same goes for this, and after this loop is completed, it should go back to the if loop, and then when this part is done, this should go as far as this part, and let's try to submit it. I run it. Oh, it's showing some error. Let me check the error where it has happened. Here it has happened. Oh, I see. I see the mistake. It should be current length here. Length. Let's try to run it again. It still is showing some errors here in this line. So it says if current length plus length of word plus length of current line is greater than max width. So do you mean words? No, I didn't mean words. What did I do wrong? Let me check. Let's check again. Did I not declare anything called word? So for it should be word. Yep. So let's run it again. It's still showing some error. Here it said the length current is not defined. Oh, it should be It should be length current, I guess. So here current line, then I made a mistake again. It should be the length of current line. Let's run it again. It says wrong answer. So I'm going to check what can be the issue here. Um, let me check what can be the issue here. Yeah, so the bug is fixed now. And after fixing the bug, we had this problem here in this line. Yeah, so when you run it, it's accepted and we can submit it. That's all for today. Thank you very much.